Here we go. We're going into Churchill Downs, where the world famous Kentucky Derby is held every first Saturday in May in Louisville, Kentucky.
Woohoo!
Dream come true to be here.
Yeah, bucket list item. But before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comment section below, put in hashtag travelodysseys. Your support is...
Greatly appreciated.
Yes, it is.
There it is, Churchill Downs.
Churchill Downs.
There it is. There's the Twin Spires. It's known as Twin Spires.
Behind a lot of you is a TV screen, but that is not your average TV screen. That TV screen is the size of 3 NBA basketball courts.
Here we are.
Yeah.
I'm rooting for,
A horse?
hooray for Harvey. He's 20 to 1, but anything
Okay.
like that.
Can you explain real fast what's meant by win, place, and show?
So win is when you're putting money on a horse that will come in first. Place is to put money on for them to win first or second, and show is to put money on them that they win first, second, and third.
Alright, cool.
So here we go.
Woohoo.
So who are you rooting for?
Whoever wins.
I'm rooting for 9. Hooray for Harvey, 20 to 1.
$5. Show number 4. Thank you.
I put $2 on Kid Perfect to show.
I put $5 on a horse to show.
On Sir Navigator.
I hope so.
Let's go see how they do.
Waiting for Kid Perfect and
That's my guy.
Onyx.
That's my guy. You're waiting for me.
Always holding up people.
Not even true.
I know.
Okay.
They're in the gate.
Oh, they're off.
Farther back, Blackout is covered up inside, running along. In 6th clear once again, leads by a length and a half. Bonus continues to chase, running along in 2nd. Leadster keyed up down inside 3rd, trying to angle a bit off the rail for the quarter pole. Blackout cut the corner nicely down inside, running in 4th. Sir Navigator follows that move off the turn as well, top of the stretch. Leighton Revenge still in front with 1 furlong to go. Leadster to the attack. Blackout pops outside, dragging through. Center of the course is behind Sir Navigator. Into the final 16th. Leadster strikes the lead. Leadster picks away. Leadster is the winner. 2.5, 33 in the end. Sir Navigator's up for 2nd. Leighton Revenge was 3rd.
Alright, so we just bet on this horse right here, and it was D squared. Its odds were 5-2. It came in 2nd place, so I'm not quite sure how much money I'll make since I only bet $2. But personally, I always bet on the horse that has the best odds, and I bet on it to at least show. And so far, it seems to be working. So maybe, I don't know if that's a formula for success or not, but at least for today, it's working for me. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cash this in, so let's see what great fortune I just achieved. Hey there, so the winning ticket.
Oh, another winner.
Yes.
This is an easy game. Look at 2-6. Another winner.
Earned 60 cents. Alright, thank you very much. Woohoo! So we are at the Roses Turf Lounge. Yay!
It's in the AC up here.
And you can get a
Here's your selection.
nice, and might even get Mint Julep if we can. Yes,
When in Rome.
yes. But you're driving, you can't drink one. One of the things that you can order when you're here at Churchill Downs is to order yourself a Mint Julep, and is a very traditional drink that is very popular here at Churchill Downs. It's delicious. Yes, 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 yes. Yeah. Woohoo!
Oh, wow.
Hooves! You got second!
Yay.
Oh my gosh!
It's number 4 right now. I was number 5. Oh my God. Here they come, they're coming around. Come on, number 7, come on! Come. You're coming down the back strut. It's number 2! It's number 2 right now, come on!
Yay!
I'm winning!
Yay!
Yay! Where is it? Where is it, Reese? Here we go! Yay! I won! You got second! I put him to show!
Woohoo!
Woohoo!
Yay!
I'm so glad I bet on the last race. I won on a horse named Our Baby Ruth, and I'm gonna cash it in now. Come on, follow me. There's my winnings. Not that good. Yay, on a $2.
Woohoo!
Thank you so much. Alrighty, thank you.
All right, thank you. Thank you for watching this episode of Travel Odysseys. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and in the comments section below, put in hashtag Travel Odysseys. Your support is greatly appreciated. And always remember, life is sweet for the bold, so adventure with us on Travel Odysseys.